Hi, this is Miss Felice here to talk to you about how to turn decimals into fractions. So there's a couple steps that we can follow to help us turn decimals into fractions. Number one, we want to check to see what decimal place the number ends in. Then we want to write that decimal place as the denominator of our fraction. Then we are going to write the numbers after the decimal as the numerator. If there's a whole number, we're going to leave it a whole number, and then we're going to simplify. So what would that look like? Let's try a few examples. We're going to turn the decimal 0.45 into a fraction. So our first step, just like it says up top, is to check to see what decimal place the number ends in. Well, 0.45, 4 would be the tenths place, 5 is the hundredths place. So this number is 0 and 45 hundredths. So we're going to write that decimal place, the hundredths, as the denominator. So because it ends in the hundredths place, my denominator is 100. And then the numbers after the decimal become my numerator. So 0 and 0.45 becomes 45 over 100. There's no whole number, it's a 0. So now all we have to do is simplify. We can divide both the numerator and the denominator here by 5. And we would get 9 over 20. So 0.45 is equivalent to 9/20. 0.45 and 9/20 are the same number written in two different forms. Let's try another one. 1.2. Well, 2 ends in the tenths place. So I'm going to write 10 as my denominator. The numbers that come after the decimal is just a 2. So 2 is my numerator. But this time we have a whole number. The number 1, we have a whole number 1. So I'm going to leave 1 as a whole number on the outside. So 1.2 is equivalent to 1 and 2/10. But I can simplify this. If I divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, divide by 2, this fraction, this mixed number becomes 1 and 1/5. So 1 and 1/5 is the fraction version of 1.2. And that's it. I hope this video helps.